Let's just start. I mean, some of what has been going on with the dollar against the yen and against the Chinese currency even last week was pretty amazing. Now add in today the euro, where $1.07 last I saw. I mean, we haven't talked about parity in years, and all of a sudden that's back in the conversation.
And you know what? There's just not enough pressure on global rates that there is on the U.S. rates. And so as the Fed tightens, the dollar strengthens. And so you do need to look for areas to make money as the dollar goes up. And there's definitely some risk in your portfolio if you're not careful, because your portfolio exposure to the dollar can definitely hurt you. You want to favor U.S. over international. You want to choose, domestic, smaller over larger, and look for things that have done or performed well with a strong dollar, like consumer staples and healthcare, even utilities.
Well, you have names like Hershey and Kroger. Are these names that people can be comfortable in as, let's call them to some extent, currency plays, but also they do face such inflationary headwinds, don't they?
There is some inflationary, especially you think about making chocolate, right, with Hershey. They're going to have some inflationary headwinds there, but they also, in a recession where a lot of people are talking about that big R word, hey, we eat a lot of chocolate. So Hershey's still a good play. They've done very, very well year to date. And the fact is that they have a lower of volatility risk compared to the market. They have really high quality earnings. So this is something that I would favor in the sense of a strong dollar.
I just can't imagine. I mean, I take your point that, if we're going to be hiking faster than everybody else, and we heard from Christine Lagarde in that interview with Sarah last week, she did not sound like she was all that hawkish at all. But so where's the euro going to go from here? $1.05, $1.03, are we 99 cents? It's hard to imagine that that this move could keep going, much further in the direction it's already gone.
Well, the macroeconomics behind it, right? You still have the international companies still have war to deal with. They're having their own struggle with, supply chains, et cetera. So international still has problems. And in the U.S., we're nowhere near. You just said earlier, we're at the start of this cycle with the Fed. So I think we're still raising rates, and we're raising them. And our pressure here to raise is a lot more than international. So I just see the dollar increasing. It's scary to say, yes, it's at 2-year highs, but maybe we should see 4-year or 5-year highs. So I think the dollar continues to strengthen here. And you couple that with everything else going on in the market, maybe 7 rate hikes, maybe 50 basis points, 75 basis points has been talked about. So you look at that, and it's definitely time to put managing risk into your portfolio. You cannot throw that at the wind when you have all of these hikes out there and all of these macro winds blowing in the direction of a higher dollar and more volatility to come.
Yeah,
or continued volatility.
If you're right, and this, it makes me think back to kind of the late 90s, the Asian currency crises, things like that, where you wonder, about the next round effects it could have. Maybe it'll all be orderly and maybe it'll all be fine. Let me quickly switch gears before I let you go and ask you, at a time when IBM was actually a rare bright spot last week, especially on that Netflix earnings day, why are you a seller of IBM here?
Well, if you look back in IBM's history, they've always struggled with determining when to hedge and how to hedge the dollars coming back in from their international operations. And so if there's a strong dollar, IBM has struggled with converting that over, and they've had a hard time with their earnings in the past. So maybe that's better, but I'm very cautious when it comes to a strong dollar and IBM, and I've seen that correlation many, many times, lived through it many times. So for me right now, I'm a seller on IBM. I'd rather have them prove to me that they can handle a strong dollar.
Very, very interesting. David, thank you so much.